Hi guys, I'm missing ya. So one of the things I want you to do this week is to show me a science experiment from home. So I have Marley here with me and she's volunteered to help us out and she is going to do a science experiment. What's the experiment we're going to do?
We're going to be powering up a light without using a battery.
And we're going to make a battery out of water. So we're going to make a wet cell battery and we're going to show you how to do that. So we'll post that video after this, but if you get a chance, it doesn't have to be the same one you were planning on doing for the science fair, but if you have all the stuff and you want to do it, that would be awesome. If you could video yourself doing any science experiment at home with your family and then send it to me, I can put them together on a video and we can have a virtual science fair and everyone can see all our cool experiments. So have fun experimenting at home and we will show you what we're doing. See you soon, guys.